Yeah, obviously being experienced journalist, you can analyze the situation, and you know that Pakistan has already declared an act of war if anything kind of happens in a couple of months or year. So right now we know that India does not have a capacity to stop the water, but they can obviously gradually build up that capability to do so. So you think that we'll be heading towards another war on this particular subject as Pakistan has already cleared its position?
Well, words are one thing, and kinetic action, launching of airplanes and so forth, another thing. Um, Neither side, in my view, wants this to turn into a warfare situation. And I think that includes Pakistan and obviously India, despite its provocative move, um, has accepted, like I said, the intervention of Washington to get the 100-hour war sorted out. Um, and no one can predict the future in this life. I certainly can't. Um, but I think both sides are a little bit wary, cautious. Uh, there's always a war of words and propaganda that's going to happen on both sides. And that happens in every war.
सब्सक्राइब करें और बेल दबाएं ताकि कोई खबर रह न जाए।